Hey there, champions. So as you can see, you have your seesaw assignment on my screen for today. I just wanted to go over it and tell you how to do it. So as you can see, we have some trucks. They have 4 different numbers in them, and your job is to order them over here to the right from least to greatest. So make sure you have watched the video that the instructional video that I had posted on the grid before you do this activity. Okay, so when you do this activity, I want you guys to, you can use your rods and dots to help you on a separate sheet of paper, or you can use your 120s chart, whatever you need to do to help you order these from least to greatest. So let's go ahead and do the first one. I'm going to go ahead and use my rods and dots because I know that's super helpful for me. So I can do this over on the side. Number 35, I know has 1, 2, 3 rods and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots. 23 has 2 rods and 1, 2, 3 dots. My number 12 has 1 rod and 1, 2 dots. And my number 27 has 2 rods and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dots. So like I said, you can use all of this white space on the side to do your rods and dots, or you can use a scrap sheet of paper at home. So let's have a look at our numbers. Number 35 has 3 rods. Number 23 has 2 rods. Number 12 has 1 rod, and 27 has 2 rods. So right away, I know that number 12 is going to be my least number, right? I'm going to write number 12 first because it is the smallest. So I'm going to write number 12 right here. Okay, I'm going to mark him out because that's helpful for me. Okay, now I have 35, 23, and 27. Well, I know that 35 has 3 rods, and that is bigger than my 2 rods for 23 and my 2 rods for 27. So now I need to decide what comes next, 23 or 27. Well, they both have 2 groups of 10, so I need to go over to my ones place to decide which one is bigger. So in my ones place for 23, I have 3 dots, or 3 ones. And in my ones place for 27, I have 7 dots, or 7 ones. And I can see, looking at my dots, that 7 is bigger than 23. So my next number is going to be 23. It is smaller than 27. And do your best writing in this because it's not easy. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and X 23 out. Now I have 35 and 27. If I look at my rods in 27 and my rods in 35, I can tell that 27 is smaller than 35. 35 is a bigger number, so I'm going to write 20. I'm actually going to switch this up and use this because it's a smaller point. Okay, 27 comes next, right? I'm going to mark that out. And then the only number that I have left is 35, so I'm going to write 35 in this other box. Do your best with the boxes. If you need to write them over to the side a little bit, that's fine. And you can also use this handy dandy, yes, right here. If you need it to be bigger, you can always click on this little magnifying glass that makes everything bigger. And then you can move up and down to right. So I have written my numbers from least to greatest. I drew my rods and dots over here. So to help me decide which number was the smallest, then which number came next, and then which number came next, and then finally my biggest number, 35. So I have 12, 23, 27, and 35. So for the rest of these, I would like for you can use your white space over to the side, or you can use a piece of paper at home to draw your rods and dots. And there you go, write them from least to greatest. Okay, have fun.
Bye.